Yeiyan has high aspirations for their branding and products, and the Agile NL seemed like a great start. From the outset, the Agile NL streaming kit includes not only a USB microphone, but multiple stand options, a pop filter, and a windscreen. The microphone is enclosed in a sturdy metal body with multiple knobs and inputs to quickly change settings. Setting everything up is also generally straightforward, as it is just a plug-and-play solution. However, when we get to its performance, there are both pros and cons to point out. On the positive side, it was very capable of capturing voices naturally without making them sound narrow or nasally. The included plosive reduction solutions were effective in their purpose, helping take out unwanted noises from being captured. However, the struggles for the Yeyian Agile NL stemmed from its mount and its non-vocal capturing capabilities. For one, the included desk mount easily picked up vibration noise from the tabletop it was mounted to, capturing any movement noise from the table. I would have liked to see a bit more dampening in the arm to reduce this. Secondly, its narrower frequency range translated into a bottomed out sound, which was primarily noticeable when recording instruments. This is rather unfortunate, as it reduces the Agile NL's versatility for streaming other things than just gaming. Some other gripes are found when using the headphone monitor, as the output was reversed between the left and right channels and emitted an audible electronic buzz. Even if these are quality control issues, these need to be fixed. At the time of the review, the Yeyian Agile NL can be found for around $90, which is a generally reasonable price for the whole kit. All in all, I think the Agile NL is a decent microphone to get started with, but I do hope these issues will be addressed in future releases. I'd love to hear what you think about this streaming kit in the comments down below.